What you are looking at right now is a blast furnace for making steel. In uncountable ways and forms, steel is indispensable to society. Be the best steel maker. We are Nippon's Steel and Sumitomo Metal Corporation. After World War II, the Japanese people struggled hard to reconstruct, to build a new Japan. Rebuilding generated strong demand for steel, as steel was needed to build a new and resilient social infrastructure. NSSMC played a vital role in the post-war Japanese economic growth, which was widely regarded as an economic miracle. For over 3 decades since the 1970s, NSSMC led the global steel industry as the #1 steelmaker in terms of crude steel production volume. Many countries have wanted to learn what had driven our economic growth. To share our experience, we have been active in numerous technological support projects, mainly with government-run steel companies in countries including China, South Korea, and Brazil. Through this, we have helped to establish essential infrastructure and improve living standards in many countries. Nowadays, borders have disappeared from much of the business world. To assist our customers as they expand their domestic and foreign business, we are building a network of production facilities spanning the world so as to be close to our customers and make timely delivery of our high-grade products. Our network is being operated by approximately 85,000 employees in 500 companies in 20 countries.
I'm Kosei Shindo, President of Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal. I believe that a truly global company must strive for the development of countries where it has a presence, and strive to be trusted and respected around the world. Let me state our corporate philosophy, which opens up a roadmap for us to become a truly global company. Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal will pursue world-leading technologies and manufacturing capabilities and contribute to society by providing excellent products and services. We, Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal, aim to continue being the best steelmaker with world-leading capabilities. We are committed to benefit society and help develop the world by means of our formidable technological advantages and cost competitiveness. Let us now show you our cutting-edge steel making.
Iron is believed to be 1/3 of the Earth's weight. We have been fortunate to have such an abundant resource from which we can manufacture all sorts of steel products. NSSMC is producing about 50 million tons of crude steel a year. This is equivalent to about 1/3 of production in the EU's 15 countries, or about half of North American production. That is a macro picture. The micro picture includes the technology that brings out the potential of steel by controlling its components with precision measured in millions of a millimeter. Some of our leading-edge steelmaking involves huge facilities or huge products. At other times, we are engaged in delicate process control and accuracy at levels far from observable by the human eye. Steelmaking in both cases is supported by what we believe is the best team of researchers in the industry. NSSMC's annual research and development spending is around $500 million. The amount is among the highest in the industry. NSSMC holds about 25,000 patents in over 70 countries. Around 800 researchers explore the future of steel together with our manufacturing teams and our sales teams. An automobile weighs on average approximately 1 ton, and about 70% of that is steel. Improving the fuel economy of vehicles is highly important for reducing carbon dioxide emissions, which is a challenge of global importance. How steel is made and how it is used are critical points for the reduction of vehicle weight. In collaboration with automakers, NSSMC has been leading the industry in developing steel that is lightweight but strong. The improved strength also enhances collision safety, which is critically important for passenger safety. Our steel engineering thus has won the high regard of automakers. High value-added steel materials using NSSMC's cutting-edge technology are also in demand in emerging countries where the pace of motorization is rapid. In response to such conditions, we have established a global supply network for producing steel sheets for automobiles. Our lives today cannot exist without energy from petroleum and natural gas. Companies in the oil and gas industries now have to drill wells that are much deeper than those of the past, where hydrocarbons are at extremely high pressure and where the tubes are exposed to a highly corrosive environment. NSSMC's corrosion-resistant alloy steel tubes for oil and gas can withstand what we call extremely sour environments. We satisfy 80% of worldwide demand for such products and have received accolades from major oil companies and state oil companies around the world. Electric power generation is another field where our steel products play an active role. Stainless steel boiler tubes for ultra-supercritical power plants operate under high temperature, high pressure steam. NSSMC's pipes and tubes have contributed to the dramatic improvement in power generation efficiency in such a harsh environment while ensuring safety. We have earned an 80% global share for this type of high-end product. We have thus achieved a dominant presence in energy-related steel materials. Steel is used almost everywhere in social infrastructure. For the economic development of emerging countries, steel is essential for building social infrastructure. In the days and years ahead, urbanization and improvement of infrastructure in emerging countries will mean that the new structures will be more complex and new construction methods will be more advanced. We are endeavoring to further advance and apply our accumulated technology and product capability, which have been proven in the tough Japanese market. NSSMC has a Japanese market share of railway wheels and axles of 100%. Our long-life railway rails also account for a large share in the market. Those products provide safety and reduce maintenance requirements. Our railway wheels and axles are also widely used in many countries, particularly in harsh environments where product quality and durability are critical. Examples include use for high-speed railways in Asia and Europe, mining railways and other railways for heavy load freight trains worldwide. That we believe our products and technology deserve global recognition and use is because we are not a steelmaker that merely sells products. We work hand in hand with our customers in both material and operational terms, from the design stage to planning of manufacturing processes, materials, and actual use, and we deliver products based on this approach. After delivery, we visit customers and their facilities for feedback and to give assistance for future product improvement. This is what we think is NSSMC's total solution. Our steelmaking processes are environmentally friendly. Our steelworks in Japan are capable of recycling 100% energy, over 90% of water used, and 99% of byproducts in the manufacturing process. Our manufactured products are also environmentally friendly. For example, NSSMC's ultra-strength steel sheet used in automotive bodies has enabled reduction in weight and hence reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. We have also developed steel sheets for electrical appliances which are free of toxic materials used for surface treatment. Our products thus contribute to environmental preservation. our energy-saving technology is very advanced. Japan's steel sector has the most advanced energy-saving technology in the steel world, and NSSMC is a leader in Japan. We promote the transfer of those technologies and encourage worldwide environmental initiatives such as carbon dioxide emission reduction. These ecological policies form the core of our environmental management. We consistently carry out environmental management in all phases, from production to recycling. We are a supporter of the arts. We founded the Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal Arts Foundation, which has been managing the Kyoi Hall in Japan. And we have also been operating the Art Appreciation Program in the US since the 1990s. We respect nature. In 1971, we planted trees in the vicinity of one of our steelworks. This was the beginning of our Hometown Forests project, which has grown to the combined scale of 900 hectares of forests. Having its roots in Japan, which is prone to natural disasters, the NSSMC Group is pledged to contribute to local communities. For example, after the earthquake hit Japan in 2011, a power station in our steelworks resumed operation in a prompt manner and provided 475 megawatts of electricity to 3 million residents in its local community. Each and every employee in the NSSMC Group is a driving force and essential part of the foundation for making products that have world-leading quality.
เราจะรักษาความสามารถในการแข่งขันโดยสร้างความน่าเชื่อถือแก่ลูกค้าครับการปรับปรุงงานและพัฒนาผลิตภัณฑ์อย่างต่อเนื่องให้ตอบสนองความต้องการของตลาดรวมถึงการเพิ่มผลผลิตด้วยนวัตกรรมและเทคโนโลยีครับ
Biggest challenge is getting all team members on board to have the same goal, and that is safety, quality, and productivity.
يمكن للشركة أن تحقق ذلك بتحسين الجودة وإجراءات السلامة ومنع الخسائر في الشركة مع ترويج التسويق محليا وخارجيا وتعزيز علاقة الشركة مع العملاء.
I've learned that through hard work and dedication to an idea that anything is possible.
เรามองหาโอกาสในการปรับปรุงงานอยู่เสมอเพื่อให้องค์กรสามารถอยู่รอดและเจริญรุ่งเรืองได้ในตลาดโลกค่ะ
ويجب على الجميع أن يسعى بشدة في أداء مهامهم بشكل صحيح. التواصل السليم والتنسيق والمعلومات الصحيحة هي مفتاح النجاح.
Pangalagaan natin ang pagtitiwala ng ating mga mamimili. Ituloy at bumuo ng pandaigdigang pinakamaayos na teknolohiya at kalidad.
We will continue to monitor new technology as it advances and utilize as much as possible, which will help us to stay ahead of our competition, reduce cost, and increase quality.
ผมคิดว่าสิ่งสำคัญที่สุดก็คือผลิตภัณฑ์ที่ยอดเยี่ยมความสามารถในการแข่งขันด้านราคาและบริการซึ่งจะทำให้เราได้รับความพึงพอใจและความมั่นใจจากลูกค้าครับ
All employees in the NSSMC Group are committed to self-improvement and growth toward their higher goals, which contributes to our customer satisfaction. We are proud of our corporate culture, which appreciates and cultivates those human resources and endows them with our very special corporate spirit. Be the best steelmaker. Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal Corporation.